Hello everyone, I am Sahana from Computer Science and Design branch. I am going to explain about safety airbags for mobile phones. Introduction. Safety airbags for mobile phones are a conceptual idea rather than a current reality. While airbags in vehicles are designed to protect occupants during collisions, and adopting this concept to mobile phones is a challenge due to size, practically and technically limitations. Currently, mobile phones use cases, screen protectors, and other materials to provide protection. Importance of airbags. Phone airbags are phone cases designed with impact absorbing material or impact as the help protect smartphones from damage caused by accidental drops or impacts. These cases can reduce the risk of cracked screen, internal hardware damage, and overall wear and tear, potentially extended the lifespan of your device. Working. Detection mobile phones with airbags would likely be occupied with sensor accelerometry and gyroscopic to detect the sudden movement associated with the fall or drop. Analysis. When a drop is detected, the phone's internal software would analyze the data from the sensors to determine if the impact is strong enough to warrant airbag deployment. Analysis. When a drop is detected, the phone's internal software would analyze the data from a sensor to determine if the impact is strong enough to warrant airbag deployment. Activation. If the impact meets the predefined criteria, the phone system would trigger the deployment of the airbag. Cushioning effect. As the airbags deploy, they would create a cushioning layer around the phone, absorbing the impact energy and reducing force transfer to the phone's components. Deflation and reset. After the fall is detected and the airbags deploy, the phone system would need to manage to deflation of the airbags. Once the airbags are deflated, the device would reset itself ready for normalization. And advantages of the safety airbags: accidental drop protection, longevity, user confidence, and reduced repair costs. This is the diagrammatic representation of mobile airbag. Thank you.